Before installing your iTrillo LX car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. The iTrillo LX can be used forward-facing for children from 100 to 150 centimeters, which is approximately 3.5 to 12 years old. Place the booster onto the vehicle seat. Press the ISOSafe adjustment button and pull out the latch connectors. Hook the connectors onto the vehicle anchor points. Double-check the child seat is secure by pulling on the connectors. Then, pull the adjustment belt to press the booster seat flush against the vehicle seat. Attach the guard surround safety panel on the side closest to the door for side impact protection. Help the child into the seat. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and pass the belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the green belt guide. Ensure the bottom of the headrest is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull and tension the vehicle seat belt and check there are no twists. When not in use, be sure to secure the booster seat with the connectors and vehicle seat belt to ensure the safety of the vehicle's other passengers. The guard surround safety shields can be removed for more cabin space. For more detail, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joybaby.com.